So we are starting our journey to the riverine communities of Abegede, Idiori, Dongo, and Arakwagi. Our mission is one, we are out for children who need access to school. We want to support every child to be in the classroom. For the children who are dropped out of school, for those who are going to school but have difficulty in getting to school. We want to provide the necessary support to all of these children so that we can have many more of them in the classroom. Journey to 4 communities. This is the very first of them. We are looking at 3 categories of people rather. We are looking for children who are not in school at all, those who are going to school but having difficulty, almost everyone literally. And then children that dropped out of school previously, we want to reintegrate them into school. Yes. Inú mi dùn pé ẹ̀yin òbí ẹ jáde lónìí. Ṣé rí gbogbo wọn tá ń ṣe níbí lónìí? Bí nǹkan àkọ́kọ́ ni ìyókù wà lọ́wọ́ òbí. Àwo máa ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn teacher. Ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tó mú wa wá síbí lónìí gangan ọjọ́ iwájú àwọn ọmọ wa ni. Ẹ̀yin gbọ́dọ̀ rí dájú pé tá bá ṣe tán lónìí. Ẹ jí ọmọ láàárọ̀ pé kó lọ sílé ìwé. Kò wù mí kí n lọ sílé ìwé lónìí teacher wá kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ má darapọ̀ mọ́ àwọn òbí tí wọ́n sọ pé ilé ìwé ò lérè lórí. Àwọn ọmọ yín àwọn ni ọjọ́ iwájú wa. Wọ́n lè ṣe pàtàkì, òun ló jẹ́ ká wá lónìí. Lára àwọn ọmọ yín lágbára Ọlọ́run ẹ rí dókítà nínú wọn. Lára àwọn ọmọ yín ẹ rí accountant nínú wọn. Lára àwọn ọmọ yín ẹ rí lọ́yà nínú wọn. Èmi tí mò ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́yà lè ní. Ta ló fẹ́ di teacher níbí? Ta ló fẹ́ di teacher? Ta ló fẹ́ di accountant? Ta ló fẹ́ di banker? Ta ló fẹ́ di lawyer? Gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ dà níwọ nìkan fẹ́ dà, ó fẹ́ di gbogbo ẹ̀. Ta ló fẹ́ di professor níbí? Ó yẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fúnra yín.
Fún báàgì tó fún wa ní bàtà ní ìwé ní báírò ní pẹ́ńsù ní ìrẹ́zà ní owó ṣàlọ́ fi rà ibi tẹ́tí mówó tẹ́tí rà àpò náà ò ní gbẹ àtọkọ̀ ojú omi tẹ́kọ̀ fún wa náà ẹ ṣé àdúpẹ́ o ọwọ́ yẹn á máa ròkè ó ti wà lébùté báyìí o kọ́kọ́ máa gbá ọmọ wa lọ kọ́ máa gbá ọmọ wa bọ̀ ní o ẹ ṣé àdúpẹ́ iléeṣẹ́ yín ò ní jóná o àpò yín ò ní gbẹ o ẹ ṣé wa dúpẹ́ o inú wa dùn ayọ̀ wa dẹ̀ kún o ayọ̀ tí iná ti ń dùn kò ní dìbànújẹ́ o ayọ̀ títí wa náà tó dẹ̀ ń dùn tẹ́tí wá kó ayọ̀ wá bá wa náà kò ní dìbànújẹ́ ṣe wọn a dúpẹ́ o.
I've been in this village, let me say like 5 years now. I've been seeing you people coming here, doing a lot of things for the children, and I appreciate. They are encouraging the children for education, for them to be happy. So the children are so happy. Even every time when they see you people, they are so happy that they are still coming. They will give their books, school bag, pencil, cleaner, ruler, and so on.